Hello everybody, well, Subic Johnny here, and I am at an area called Sawmill, which is officially in Subic. Go straight down, you cross that bridge, you're in Alongapo. You go up to Sawmill Area. I want to wish everybody a very, very happy new year. Gotta be careful, these people will run you over. Okay, I'm going up the road here. Well, today is December the 31st. It has been a long year. Yep. It's been a long, long year. Very bad thing with this area is it is prone to flooding. But it hasn't flooded for a couple of years. The greatest area to walk in also, I'm afraid. And the reason is there's no sidewalk. Yep.
Hello.
Hi, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year too.
Where's the sidewalk? Joke. Hello. I like your star. Very cute. Yeah, Happy New Year. So what are you making? Rice? Oh, spaghetti. Filipinos love spaghetti. Okay, well you take care. Happy New Year. Bye-bye. Okie doke. So when I get down further, the road gets wider, so that's, I'm not really complaining. I'm just making conversation, you know. Because everybody's happy today. Even the broke people are happy. People with no money. Yeah. Yeah, I used to live down in this area a long time ago. Yeah, it's not a bad place. I like it because it's near to Barreto. And it's not too bad to get to a long pole, as long as there's no lockdowns in effect. There's a big difference between Barrio Barreto and Sawmill. Oh yes, big difference. For example, if you're looking for an ATM, for example, Barreto, they're everywhere. They're all over the place. Here, well, get a. Here in Sawmill Area, they're pretty scarce. But, as I said, as long as there's no lockdown, everything's good. The only bad thing is this road. But it's New Year's. So might as well be happy. They do got some nice homes in this area. So, what's everybody gonna do for New Year's? When I was younger, we used to get drunk. That was the one thing on our mind. Party down on New Year's Eve. But as you get older, that gets less and less appealing. This looks familiar. Mark from Overstay Road used to live in this area. He actually used to live in a place called San Isidro. Hello, how are you? Happy New Year. But as I said, Mark, he used to live here, but he moved to the beach. And the beach is a nice place to live. You don't have the stress that you have like in this area.